Okay, when setting and tensioning your chains, if you reach over the side to check the tension, you should only be able to get about 3 inches between the floor and the chain. If you have more than that, then what you're going to do on both sides of the spreader, you'll notice there's 2 nuts on each side. These are the locks. These lock your tensioner into place after you have it set. So what I'm going to have you do is just loosen both nuts on both sides of the unit. After you have them loose, then you're going to tighten up the front bolt. You're going to tighten it counting your turns and count it, you know, if you count, let's say 7 on this side, you check your chain tension for your 3 inches, and if it is 3 inches, then you want to go to the opposite side and do the same 7 turns so that we keep your web drive straight so it's not going crooked. Then after you have your setting correct and you know that everything's right, you've double checked, made sure you have your 3 inches, then tighten your locks back down on both sides. These prevent it from slowly walking back on its own and getting it back out of adjustment right away.